How's it going, everybody? That guy named Don here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trace images in After Effects. And when I say trace, I mean really trace. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing lines over an image, and then basically we're going to be taking the background image out, so then it looks like it is something that has been drawn. It gives a really cool effect. If you go over to my Instagram, I got a couple of examples from it, and my new YouTube channel banner is actually a really good example of it. The palm trees on my channel banner are actually traced. They are not an original drawing. So we've already opened After Effects, and we have our image here. We're going to use an image of some Marines during the Battle of Okinawa in World War II. I think it'd be really cool to trace this and maybe put a vapor wavy effect to it. I think it would look pretty neat. So all we're going to be doing is double clicking our image here, and then it kind of opens it up in a new composition right here. And all you have to do is go over here to the top left to your brush tool. And now that you're in your brush tool, you can pick your colors you want to use right here in the paint section. Or you can go to brush, and this will change the size of the brush. You can get really big if you wanted to, even really teeny tiny fine points if you wanted to. But we're going to stick to, let's go to the, let's stick with 3. Let's try 3. So what we're going to do now is we're going to trace over our image. Okay, so now that you've traced over your image, I think I did a pretty decent job here. All you have to do is then go back over here to your original composition, and then come down to your image. And usually when you'll see it, it'll look like this. Just press this down arrow, go to your effects, go to paint, and then right here it'll say paint on transparent off, and you want to turn that on, and it'll take away the below image and leave only what you've drawn. So from here, you can just go ahead and go to composition, and if it's just an image, you can hit save frame as, and then save it, name it whatever you want, change it to a JPEG or whatever, and then boom, you will have a image that looks like it's been drawn even though it was traced. Or if you are doing this as part of a larger project, instead of hitting save frame as and doing all that, all you have to do is, just minimize this, go ahead and right click here, hit pre-compose, and just hit OK. You can rename it if you want. And now that it's been pre-composed, it is its own image, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can change its way it's facing, make it smaller, upside down, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's basically how you trace an image and delete the bottom image on After Effects. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Leave a comment if it was, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.